In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set user roles and permissions in Clio. This process, although straightforward, can save you a lot of time and ensure that your team only has access to the features they need. So, let's dive in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and in the search bar type in Clio. Once you've done that, press the Enter key and you'll see a list of search results. Look through them and locate the first link or the one with the URL that reads clio.com. Click on that link to be directed to Clio's official website. Now that you're on the Clio homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you should see an option to log in. Click on it and it'll prompt you to enter your credentials. Please go ahead and fill those out. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Clio dashboard. Upon reaching the dashboard, look for an option that says Clio Manage. It's important to access this section because it's where all your user settings are available. Click on Clio Manage and you'll be taken to another page filled with various management tools and options. Next, what we're looking for is under Settings. Navigate through your options until you find the Settings menu, then go ahead and click on it. From there, search for Manage Users. This section is pretty self-explanatory. It's where you manage all your team members and their access levels. Inside Manage Users, you'll see a list of all your current users. Browse through the list to find the user you'd like to modify. Once you've located them, look to the right of their name for an Edit option. Clicking Edit will open up their specific user settings. With the user settings open, scroll down until you reach the Roles section. Here, you can select or deselect various roles and permissions associated with that user. Take your time to review each option carefully. This is your chance to fine-tune what this user can and cannot do within Clio. After you've adjusted the roles and permissions to your liking, you're almost done. The final step is to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page where you'll see a button that says Save New Information. Press this button to ensure all the changes you made get properly saved. And just like that, you've successfully updated user roles and permissions in Clio. By following these steps, you ensure each team member has the access they need without compromising on data security. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Have a great day.